This is Findacar Easilease, more commonly known as Jetberg Limited. It's a used car dealership in Castle Gresley, Derbyshire, and when it closed in 2002, it stood unnoticed for a whole decade until a video called Ghostly Abandoned Car Dealership was posted on YouTube and went viral amongst the car community. Since that video was posted, the dusty cars that once adorned the forecourt have slowly dwindled away down to just three: a Vauxhall Cavalier, an Austin Maestro, and a Rover 800. And for a while, it stayed that way, up until recently, when the Rover disappeared from the neglected forecourt scenery. And here it is in all its mouldy, dusty, tatty glory. Well, during its 20 years sat in the automotive equivalent of a zoo pen, this poor Rover 800 has had its alloys nicked and replaced with ones from a Proton. The majority of the windows are either smashed or missing, and to top it all off, we haven't even got the engine started yet. Although the interior has been sat out in all weathers for 20 years, it's actually in fairly decent condition. Plus the sills are as solid as a brick house. Mainly we need to replace the parts that are missing off the 800. Then once that's done, we can get it roadworthy and ready for an MOT. So come and join Nick, Dan and myself as we restore this great piece of motoring history to its former glory. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with the Rover 800 project, and why not leave a like and a comment? Let us know what you think of the project. See you in the next video.